Hi everybody, it's Adam. Guess what? I'm in the woods right by our school, and today the word is build. I want you to think about things that you can build. So you can build a fort out of furniture or something outside. You can build with Legos. You can build just about anything if you use your imagination. So guess what? I've been building a fort. This is right by our school. And so I've taken a bunch of sticks and we're making something pretty cool by stacking them together, and we're gonna have a shelter. It is so cool. I wanted to show you myself. So here we go. I'll take you for a little tour of the fort. Got a little place in there where I could sit and think or just keep on building. So again, kids, build something. Take the time, get out in nature. You will love it. You enjoy your day and think about today what you can build.